In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox in Microsoft Store not working in Windows 11. Intro. First things first, go ahead and open up the Microsoft Store. So open this up, and once it opens up, you need to go ahead and search for Roblox. Once you search for Roblox, what you're going to want to do before you even reinstall anything is try signing out of the Microsoft Store. So go ahead and right click on the very top, hit sign out, and once you go ahead and do that, sign back in, because sometimes that'll fix multiple store issues. If it's still not working though, go ahead and back out of Microsoft Store, right click on the Windows icon down at the very bottom, and you need to open up settings on here. So select settings and then go ahead and look for apps. Once you're in apps, go ahead and make your way to installed apps and scroll through the list until you see Roblox on here. I'm just going to search for it real quick because it's easier. Once you see it, and we're going to use media player as an example, go ahead and select the three dots next to it, choose uninstall, and then from here go back to Microsoft Store and reinstall it. From there, it'll work for you after it reinstalls. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.